He's got a buddy for life. Ooh.
All right, Kyle.
Baby, chill. What happened?
Christopher. Oh no, it wasn't Christopher. 9-4.
Come on.
You have the buddies? Yeah, we have girls too.
You can put your arms around him. You can put your arms around him. That's it. Yeah, you can hug him right around him. Hug him right around his collar. There you go. Mom, can you get that picture?
Nope. I'm holding up a sign for my boy. Now I'll try to get the picture.